Hi students, my name is Nagendra Babu. In my previous video, I taught how to find median for the raw data, that is for ungrouped data. Today, we will see how to find the median for a grouped data. Let us see this data. Class intervals and frequencies are given in this data. So class intervals are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100. These classes are given. These are called exclusive classes because in these classes, here this is lower boundary and upper boundary, and in the next class lower boundary is equal to upper boundary of its previous class. So this is 10 and here also 10. Its upper boundary is 10 and here also lower boundary is 10. In this class upper boundary is 20 and in the next class is lower boundary is 20. So these type of classes are called as exclusive classes. So take care to be the exclusive classes of the given data. So here already given these are exclusive classes. So we can continue the sum. For this, class intervals and frequencies are given. We have to find one more column to find the median. So that is cumulative frequencies. Cumulative frequencies are denoted by CF, cumulative frequencies. Cumulative, that means first of all write the first frequency in this column, that is 5. To this 5 add the next frequency and write here, that is 5 plus 3 equal to 8. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. And next to this 8 add the next frequency 4 and write here, that is 8 plus 4 equal to 12. Again 12 plus 3 equal to 15 and 15 plus 3 that is equal to 18. To this 18 add this 4, that is 18 plus 4 is equal to 22. To this 22 add 7, so 22 plus 7 is equal to 29. 29 plus 9, 29 plus 9 is equal to 38. To this 38 add 7, that is 38 plus 7 is equal to 45. To this 45 add 8, that is 45 plus 8 equal to 53. So these are the cumulative frequencies. Next, sum of all frequencies will be equal to this 53. That means we added all these frequencies to get cumulative frequencies. So 53 is the sum of all frequencies. So this 53 is taken as n, that is n is equal to 53. Sum of the frequencies is taken as n, that is n is equal to 53. To find the median, we have to select the median class from all these classes. How can we select the median class? To select the median class, find out n by 2 value first. Find out n by 2 value, that is 53 by 2. That means 2 2's 4, 26.5. So n by 2 value is 26.5. This n by 2 value we found to select, to choose the median class from all these classes. So n by 2 value is 26.5. Search where is that 26.5 in the cumulative frequencies. That should be just greater than 26.5 or very near to 26.5 from all these cumulative frequencies. Select the value which is just greater than 26.5 or just nearer to 26.5 from all these cumulative frequencies. That is 26.5 means 29 is greater than, just greater than 26.5 or greater than 26, nearer to 26.5. So 29 is the cumulative frequency. So select this class as median class. This is called median class. This class is selected as median class. Now we have to write L value F value, cumulative frequency, and H from all these values. To find median, the formula is median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. That is the formula. So, to this, in this formula, L is there, N by 2 is there, CF is there, F is there, H is there. So, we have to select all these values from this given data. First of all, let us select L value, that is L. We selected this class as median class. In this median class, the lower boundary is taken as L. In this median class, the lower boundary is taken as L. First of all, you have to take care that the all classes must be exclusive classes. These classes must be exclusive classes. Here these are exclusive classes. So, in this median class, L is the lower boundary of this median class. That is, here this 60 is lower boundary and 70 is upper boundary. So, 60 is taken as L value, the lower boundary of median class. 60 is taken as L value. And then F. F means frequency. Frequency of the median class. This is the median class. In this median class, these are frequencies. So, frequency of the median class means this is 7. 7 is the frequency of the median class. So, F equal to 7. And then cumulative frequency. This is just a small confusion. There will be small confusion. So, cumulative frequency is selected as the previous cumulative frequency of the median class. CF, cumulative frequency, means previous cumulative frequency of median class. This is median class and all these are cumulative frequencies. In this median class, previous cumulative frequency is taken as CF. So, this is the median class. Its previous cumulative frequency is 22. So, CF is equal to 22. Next, H. H means height of the class or size of the class. H means height of the class or size of the class. So, these are the classes. The difference between all these lower boundaries or the difference between all these upper boundaries. So, wherever you take 10 is the difference. In these lower boundaries, 10 is the difference between any two classes, and in these classes also, in these upper boundaries also, 10 is the difference between any two successive classes. So, 10 is the height of the class or size of the class. So, H is equal to 10. Now, median is equal to, we got all these values which are required to substitute in the formula. So, there the formula is L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. What is L? Here we wrote 60 is L. So, 60 plus N by 2. N by 2 already we found here. N is 53, N by 2 value is 26.5. So, take 26.5 minus CF, this is 22. So, 22 by F, frequency 7, 7 into H. This is equal to 60 plus 26.5 minus 22 is 4.5 by 7 into H value is 10. This is equal to 60 plus 4.5 into 10 is 45 by 7 equal to 60 plus divide 45 by 7 up to 2 decimal places. That is with 7 divide 45. 7 5 is 35, 7 6 42. 3 will be there. Put point and take 0. 7 4 28. 2 will be there and take 0. 7 2 14. That's enough. After point, 2 digits enough. So, 45 by 7 value is 6.42 equal to 60 plus 6.42 is 66.42. So, 66.42 is the median of this given data. So, here n is equal to, let us describe all these terms. That is, n is equal to number of observations. Number of observations. That means sum of the frequencies 53. That means 53, totally 53 observations are there. So n is equal to number of observations. And then L. L is equal to lower boundary of the median class. This is the median class, and in median class lower boundary is L. L is equal to lower boundary of the median class. Lower boundary of the median class. And next F. F is the frequency of the median class. This is median class. These are all frequencies. So frequency of median class is taken as F. So F is equal to frequency of median class. Next, after that CF. CF means cumulative frequency. So CF is taken as previous cumulative frequency of the median class. So all these are cumulative frequencies, and this is median class. Its previous cumulative frequency is taken as CF. That is previous cumulative frequency of median class. And then H. H is equal to height of the class or size of the class. That is height of the class or size of the class. So according to these, we will select the values which are required to find median. So median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So all those values are selected from this given data, and we will substitute in this formula. After simplifying this, we got 66.42. Therefore 66.42 is the median of this given data. Okay students, let us see another example related to this median. A survey regarding the heights in centimeters. Heights are given in centimeters of 51 girls. That means in a class, that is class 10th, altogether 51 girls are there. Their heights are given in centimeters of a school was conducted, and a survey was conducted on the heights of these girls, and the data was obtained as shown in this table. We have to find the median of this given data. So let us see carefully the given observations. Here number of girls is 4. In these 4 girls are the students whose height is less than 140 centimeters. So the students whose height is less than 140 centimeters is 4. There are 4 students whose height is less than 140 centimeters. And see this next one, this is 11 girls. These 11 girls are the students whose height is less than 145 centimeters. That means in this 11, these 4 girls also included. All these girls, 11 girls, are the students, number of students whose height is less than 145 centimeters. That means whose height is less than 140 centimeters also included in this 11. And then this is 29. There are 29 girls whose height is less than 150 centimeters. In these 29 girls, this 11 students also included. And in this is 40. There are 40 students, 40 girls whose height is less than 155 centimeters. That means in these 40 students, these 29 students also included. Similarly, this is 46. There are 46 girls whose height is less than 160 centimeters. That means in this 46, the above 40 students also included. And finally, this is 51. There are altogether 51 students in the class whose height is less than 165 centimeters. That means in this 51, these 46 students also included. That means what we have to understand from this data is these are the cumulative frequencies. Cumulative frequencies are given here. But to find median of this given data, we want frequencies and class intervals. Here class intervals are not given. Less than 140 centimeters are 4, less than 145 centimeters is 11, less than 150 centimeters students is 29, less than 155 students is number of students is 40. So less than 160 centimeters is 46 and less than 165 centimeters is 51. So this is the data given. But class intervals and frequencies are not given, and these are the cumulative frequencies. So we have to find the frequencies first. That is, frequencies is first frequency as it is, and then from 11 subtract this 4 and that will be the frequency, next frequency, second frequency. That is 11 minus 4 is 7. And then from this 29 subtract 11, that is 18. And then from this 40 subtract 29, that will be 11. And then from this 46 subtract 40, that is 6, and 51 minus 46 is 5. So these are the frequencies. And now write class intervals. Class intervals are, first one is less than 140. So write this as less than 140. And then from 140 to 145 students, 140 to 145 students are 7. Less than 140 centimeters height, the number of students is 4. From 140 to 145 centimeters height are 7 students. And then this is 145 to 150. So the number of girls whose height is from 145 to 150 is 18. The next class is 150 to 155, and the 155 to 160, and then 160 to 165. So these are the classes. That means the number of girls whose height is less than 140 are 4, and the number of girls whose height is from 140 to 145 centimeters is 7. So the number of girls whose height is from 145 centimeters to 150 is 18, and the number of girls whose height is from 150 to 155 is 11. So 155 to 160 is 6, and 160 to 165 centimeters is 5. So these are the frequencies and these are class intervals. Now to find median of this given data, we have to find n by 2 value. Here n is sum of frequencies, that is given 51. That is total number of girls in the class is given 51. That means number of observations is 51. So we have to find n by 2 value. So n by 2 is 51 by 2, that is equal to 25.5. From this n by 2 value, we have to select the median class from this given data. That means search where is this 25.5. That means the value which is just greater than 25.5 or nearer to 25.5 from these cumulative frequencies. These are the cumulative frequencies. We have to search this value in cumulative frequencies, not in frequencies. Please remember that. So search where is this 25.5 in cumulative frequencies. That means just greater than 25.5 or nearer to 25.5. That is after 11 in this 29. 29 is just greater than 25.5. That is this class is taken as median class. This is median class. So from this n by 2 value, we selected this as median class. Now let us write all the values which are required for the formula to find median. So what is the formula to find median? Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. Let us write the individual values which are required for this formula. That is L. Already I told you that L is the lower boundary of the median class. This is median class. In this class, this is lower boundary and this is upper boundary. So 145 is lower boundary. L means lower boundary of the median class. So L is equal to 145. And then n by 2 value already we found here 25.5. And then CF. CF means the previous value of the cumulative frequencies. These are cumulative frequencies. In this median class, the previous cumulative frequency of the median class. This is the median class. These are cumulative frequencies. The previous cumulative frequency of the median class. Remember it carefully. The previous median class, the previous cumulative frequency of the median class. This is median class and its previous cumulative frequency is 11. Therefore, cumulative frequency is taken as 11. And then F. F means frequency of the median class. These are frequencies and this is median class. The frequency of the median class is 18. So, this is 18. This is F and this is cumulative frequency CF. So, F is equal to 18 and then H is equal to H is the size of the class or height of the class. What is the size of the class? This is 140 to 145, 145 to 150, 150 to 155. The difference between all these lower boundaries or the upper boundaries. The difference between these lower boundaries 140, 145, 150, 155, 160. Difference here is 5. And here also in upper boundaries 145, 150, 155, 160, 165. Difference is 5. So, size of the class, that is height of the class, is 5. Now, let us substitute all these values in the formula. So, median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. L plus means what is L? This one 145 plus n by 2 value. This is n by 2 value, that is 25.5. So, 25.5 minus CF cumulative frequency, that is 11 by F, this is frequency, that is 18 into H is 5. Now 145 plus 25.5 minus 11, that is 14.5. 25.5 minus 11 is 14.5 by 18 into 5. So, this is equal to 145 plus, multiply this 14.5 by 5. We will get 5 5s 25, 5 4s 20 plus 2 22, 5 1s 5 6 7, 72.5 by 18. So, 14.5 into 5 is 72.5 divided by 18. This is equal to 145 plus, divide this 72.5 by 18. That is, by dividing 72.5 by 18, 18 fourths 72, and put point here, this is 0, and put 0 and take 0, 18 twos 36. So, after point 2 digits enough, 2 decimal places, that is 4.02. So, 72.5 by 18 is 4.02. So, 145 plus 4.02 is 149.02. 145 plus 4.02. 145 means 145 plus 0.00 and 4.002 means 4.02. So, you have to write like this to add this. This is an integer and this is decimal number 4.02. So, write like this and add those two, 20941. So, 149.02 is the median. So, for this data 149.02 is the median. So, students, like this we will find the median of any given data, but identify what type of data is given and what you have to find, and then according to that write the required columns and write the values which are required for the formula, and then simplify that, and you will get the required median. So students, I think you all have understood the process of finding median of the given group data, and then we will see in the next video a very important sum of this median related sums, that is to find an unknown quantity. I think you all have understood this concept clearly. If you like this class, you can share this video to all your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you very much.